you sick of being at war with your body? Are you constantly trying to fidget to find comfort in your own skin? Well, I want to let you know that fidgeting will never work. It'll only irritate you more. So if you have, let's say, an injury in your shoulder and you fidget and try to force your shoulder blades together, that fidgeting literally creates more friction, which creates more heat, which creates more inflammation, which then leads to pain and injury, swelling. This kind of war with your body of trying to beat your body into submission. Maybe you try to hold good posture or suck your stomach in. All of these things that you've been told to do are aggressive, and you're literally creating war with your body, and you're not creating peace in your body. Peace in your body starts with quiet, still, aware, awake time. When I work with my clients, I literally have them lay on their back with their knees bent. It's called semi-supine. And guide them to quiet their mind down. It's like your brain and your mind that are telling your body to wiggle and jiggle and adjust. And all of that wiggling, jiggling, and adjusting is hurting you. It doesn't create peace. It creates irritation. And then you have more pain. Learning how to be at peace with your body is not forcing your body into submission. Learning how to be at peace with your body starts with listening. Listening to your body. Listening to what your body is telling you and not reacting to it from a sense of urgency and emergency. The most revolutionary thing you can do for your body is to leave yourself alone, to leave your body alone when you're in pain, to be still, to be quiet. It's amazing.